Hello all, and welcome to my presentation of Tryhard, what I've achieved in this sample level so far for my game. Yes, I am Pyrocron, and yes, getting right into it. As you can see, there are 5 buttons, and mousing over each button shows a tooltip. Start a new game, load a game, view the options, restart from the beginning again, I'm thinking of removing that, and exit the game. So, currently clicking on the load game buttons does nothing. Well, the load game button, does nothing, or the options button. That also does nothing. Pressing the new game button will do something, but first I'll just show off the restart button, which does have a function. It calls a console command, as does the exit button, but the restart button first. So moving around a bit, press the restart button, restart from the beginning again. I'm thinking of removing it because I'm not sure that would fit in with my game. Yes. Change about with the display mode there, but this is exiting the game. If you press no on this dialog confirm pop-up, goes back to where it stays in the game. Yes, game terminated. So that's the exit game button. The new game button brings you to the player to the new game sub-menu, which is this, which currently only has one button, the start button. I also need to change the positioning of buttons on sub-menus, and quite possibly the main menu as well. This does nothing at the moment, but I intend to include many other settings. Yes, they'll be put in later, but that's all for now. Thank you. Goodbye.